Thinking about buying a new SUV this year? Not all SUVs are created equal. While some models offer luxury, performance, and reliability, others are plagued with issues that can drain your wallet and your patience. This video breaks down the 3 SUVs you should avoid at all costs, along with 4 incredible alternatives that offer style, performance, and value. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which SUVs to skip and which ones might be your next ride. Here are the 3 worst SUVs to avoid. These models may look good on the surface, but their hidden flaws could make them some of the worst choices you can make this year.
Number 1. Volkswagen Tiguan. The Tiguan has a reputation for evolving with every new generation, but sometimes that evolution isn't for the better. Despite its sleek European design and a starting price that seems pretty appealing, many owners have shared some deep regrets. The biggest and most consistent complaint? Excessive oil consumption. We're not talking about a little here and there. Owners report having to top off their oil multiple times between scheduled changes. While VW might call this normal, for a buyer, it's an unwelcome and frustrating hassle. Then you have the third row seat. Sure, having that extra seating is a great selling point, but the space is so tight, it's practically unusable for anyone but a small child. For families who need that extra room, this is a major deal breaker. On top of that, the infotainment system can be unintuitive and distracting to use, pulling your attention away from the road. The engine performance can also feel sluggish and inconsistent, making the driving experience feel unpredictable. If the Tiguan is on your list, you might want to think twice.
Number 2. Ford Explorer XLT. Next, for the worst SUV to avoid, we have the Ford Explorer XLT. This SUV is marketed as a versatile family vehicle, but many buyers have learned the hard way that its promises don't match the reality, especially with its premium price tag. One of the most common issues is the sheer number of mechanical problems. Owners report their vehicles spending weeks in the repair shop, often because of a lack of spare parts. This kind of inconvenience is just unacceptable for a brand new vehicle. The interior quality is another letdown. For a vehicle aimed at families, the materials can feel cheap and not very durable. The third row seats in particular are poorly padded and rigid, a significant drawback for anyone hoping to take a long road trip. The ride can also feel stiff and uncomfortable, especially with larger wheels. When one buyer who paid $70,000 for their Explorer XLT said the leather seats looked worn out within months, you know there's a serious value to cost imbalance here. Number 3. Hyundai Kona. Finally, we're looking at the Hyundai Kona. This compact SUV seems stylish and affordable, but if you look a little closer, it's plagued with issues that make it a risky choice. Avoid this SUV. A big problem is the short lifespan of parts and systems. Many owners report frequent breakdowns, with some even having to resell their cars because of ongoing problems. This is a big letdown for a brand that prides itself on reliability. The ride quality isn't much better. It's often described as shaky and jerky, making long trips uncomfortable for everyone. Another major complaint is the scarcity of spare parts. People have reported waiting weeks or even months for essential repairs because parts are back-ordered, leaving them stranded without a vehicle. And while the fuel economy is decent, one owner's review sums up the overall experience. A deeper look reveals why so many owners regret their purchase. Here are the best SUV alternatives, most reliable choice. Okay, that was the bad news. Now for the good news. If you're in the market for an SUV, these 4 models are worth checking out. Number 1. The Subaru Crosstrek. The Crosstrek is a no-brainer if reliability, versatility, and affordability are your top priorities. Its biggest selling point is that all-wheel drive comes standard, a feature that many competitors charge extra for. This gives you better traction and stability in all conditions, whether you're navigating a slippery road or going off the beaten path. It also has great fuel efficiency, getting an EPA rating of up to 34 mpg on the highway. Inside, the cabin feels simple, yet spacious, with plenty of room for passengers and cargo. Plus, with Subaru's famous EyeSight driver assist technology included, it's one of the safest choices on the market. Starting at around $26,500, the Crosstrek delivers incredible value for its price.
Number 2. The Toyota RAV4. For years, the Toyota RAV4 has been synonymous with reliability, and the new model is no different. One of its greatest strengths is the spacious interior and smooth ride quality. The cabin is quiet, and the handling feels effortless, making it an excellent choice for families or anyone who needs versatility. It also comes with a comprehensive suite of standard safety features, so you can drive with peace of mind. And let's not forget the fuel efficiency. The RAV4 Hybrid gets an impressive EPA rating of up to 39 mpg combined, making it a great choice for saving at the pump. The RAV4 is a dependable, comfortable, and versatile SUV that's hard to beat.
Number 3. The Kia Telluride. If you're looking for a family SUV that combines luxury with practicality, the Kia Telluride is a must-see. Its most impressive feature is the genuine 3-row seating that offers enough space for adults to sit comfortably in the back. With a smooth and confident V6 engine, the Telluride can also tow up to 5,500 pounds. The interior feels incredibly premium, with high-quality materials and a well-designed layout that rivals much more expensive vehicles. It's also packed with advanced technology and safety features. The Telluride gives you a feeling of luxury and capability without the luxury price tag.
Number 4. The Mazda CX-50. Last but not least, from the best SUV to buy is the Mazda CX-50, a compact SUV that stands out for its sleek design, powerful performance, and premium features. The optional turbocharged engine provides fast acceleration and makes the CX-50 a joy to drive. Inside, you'll find a luxurious and refined interior that feels a cut above anything else in its class, with high-quality materials and attention to detail. The CX-50 also offers decent off-road capability for a crossover, making it great for light trail exploration. With its blend of style, capability, and comfort, the CX-50 is a top choice for anyone who wants a fun and practical SUV. So there you have it, a deep dive into some of the best and worst SUVs for 2025. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below.